this is Kiyo Vlogs, executive actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa ASAP XP. ASAP, kapamilya, ASAP XP, new gen, diba? So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Ito talaga, lamuna ng microphone to. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
If you remember these songs, and
Sige,
please sing along. When you wake up each
I love the song.
morning, you feel like calling.
I love the song. Okay.
When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there. When there's no one beside you, will be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. And when the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. And who knows where we'll go?
Tingnan natin kung sino magsislay dito.
Just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and
Ay, ano ba talaga dapat?
sing with me. And when you move
Ilang taon na nga si Martin? Tagal niya din sa ASAP, no?
traveling
Okay.
down memory lane. Let's do this. Let's get some of my old songs and give them new life with your amazing new gen divas. Ella, Carmel, Essa, Kai, and Alexa. Some of my old songs.
Ayun ka.
Like this one.
Wow.
Let's see who knows this one.
You are to
Alexa.
me?
You're the star that shines with me. Yes. That's the way you'll always be. And now it's time for you to see just how much you mean to me.
At the end of the rainbow, there's a place I love. We'll be there forever. So
Wow.
baby, let's go.
Okay.
Your eyes, and much to my surprise, I feel what you're feeling, and now I realize that
Familiar with the song?
everything there is to be, and I want you to know when you want to be more than words can ever say. Oh, you're the star that shines in me. Oh, you want to be everything there is to be. And I want you to know that
Grabe yung boses sa Alexa, ha?
more than words can ever say. Oh, you're the star that shines in me.
Alexa!
Okay. I love you, Tito Mart.
Guys, how can things go wrong when you're here with me? All of time and space would stop, they'd stop for you and me.
How can we go wrong? Like words within a song.
creativity of the voice. Okay.
Tell me why, when we have gone this far, for happy as we are, but now, how can I feel right when you're not by my side? Strange that I feel all alone, 'cause I
Oh, natulala ako kay Kai.
the perfect song, the perfect rhyme. How can
Wow.
I go
Ang promising ng boses ni Kai.
How can I move on? How can I? How can I? How can I?
The Kai version. Beautiful.
Ganda naman. Kahit ang ganda nito.
Puso kong ito ngayon
Uy, si Esang.
wala ka na
Si Esang.
sa buhay ko. Kung kailan sumikat at naraw at lumigaya ang aking mundo. Esang.
Ano ang mga bukas
Ang ganda din ng boses ni Esang. Oh my God.
ngayon? Wala ka na sa piling ko.
Nailed it.
Paano ang mga pangarap, mga pangako ng bawat isa? Sana ika'y muling makita ko. Tanging ang tibok
Puso. Mas kumanta na ako.
yakapin mo ako muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit mayakap ka.
Boses. Ganda. Ganda na kay Esang.
Bawat
Ay,
pag-ikot
oh my God.
ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na maghiwalay.
Puso'y lumawa, wala magagawa.
Carmel.
Saan ka,
Saan ka,
kailan ka,
kailan ka,
muling mahal? Kulang sa ating
sa ating
sandali.
sandali.
Carmen. Grabe si Carmen. Grabe. Grabe.
Kai, Alexa, Essa,
Grabe.
Ella.
Like, literally. Si Ella, si Ella. Ano ang panlaban ni Ella? Ang grabe kay Carmen.
Ang lahat
My God.
sa akin, kahit ika'y wala sa aking piling.
Nito eh.
Isang magandang alaala, isang kahapon, lagi kong kasama. Ella!
Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, kahit ika'y di ko dapat ibigin. Dapat pa kitang limutin, paano mapipigil ang isang damdamin kung ang sinisigaw, ikaw ang lahat sa akin. At kung hindi ngayon at panahon
Natulala ako.
upang ikaw ay malibukas na walang hanggan, hanggang matapos ang kailanman. Bukas na walang hanggan, tuloy maghihintay pa
Harmonization is giving. Harmonization is giving. Wow. Love the harmonization. Love the harmonization. In fairness. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from what do you call this? Nugen Divas, kapamilya Nugen Divas. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. For me, ang nag-slay dito is Carmel and Ella.